Hi friends, welcome to Career Byte YouTube channel. Here is Banking and Finance May 2020 Current Affairs Questions and Answers. The Ministry of MSME has launched a portal on MSME Bank of Schemes, Ideas, Innovation and Research to give access to all the schemes related to MSME at national and state level. The portal can be accessed at Answer is http://ideas.msme.gov.in/. Name the MSME loan scheme launched by the Karnataka Vikas Gramin Bank to provide them financial help amid coronavirus crisis. Answer is Vikas Abaya. How much amount of financial aid has been announced by the World Bank for India to enhance and safeguard the coastal and marine resources of the country? Answer is $400 million. The song title Hum Har Nahi Manenge has been launched by which bank to keep hopes up amidst the ongoing national lockdown and coronavirus pandemic? Answer is HDFC Bank. Name the newly appointed Chief Risk Officer of S Bank. Answer is Neeraj Dhawan. RBI has permitted the payment networks in India to allow tap and go functionality on card payments for any amount. However, the payment made above rupees dash will be subjected to PIN number for authenticity. Answer is 2000 rupees. RBI has cancelled the license of the CKP Cooperative Bank Limited due to non-compliance to various sections of Banking Regulation Act and RBI Act. Where is the head office of the CKP Cooperative Bank Limited based? Answer is Mumbai. Which bank has launched the mobile payment app Yuva Pay? Answer is S Bank. DBS Bank has revised its GDP prediction of India for the fiscal year 2020 to 2021. What is the revised rate? Answer is 1%. Tarun Bajaj has been nominated as a director on the Central Board of Reserve Bank of India by the central government recently. How many members can the RBI Central Board have? Answer is 21. What is the estimated GDP growth rate prediction of India for the fiscal year 2020 to 2021 as per Bank of America? Answer is 0.5%. How much amount has been disbursed by the New Development Bank to India to fight COVID-19? Answer is $1 billion. How much amount has been approved by the World Bank for India to support India's COVID-19 social protection response program? Answer is $1 billion. The MoneyGram Payment Systems has tied up with which Indian bank to offer direct-to-bank account credit option for customers in India? Answer is Federal Bank. Zubair Iqbal has recently been appointed as the managing director of which bank? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir Bank. Name the first ever bank in the country to introduce video-based KYC facility for customers opening saving accounts. Answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Which bank has been appointed by the Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund to help in winding up the 6 debit schemes of company? Answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Who has been named as the new chief economist of the World Bank Group? Answer is Carmen Reinhardt. Airtel Payments Bank has partnered with which company to develop customized digital products for farmers and SMEs? Answer is MasterCard. Who among these has been appointed as the new president of the New Development Bank to succeed KV Kamath? Answer is Marcos Prado Troijo. Who has been appointed as the new CMD of the Oriental Insurance Company by the bank's board bureau? Answer is S.N. Rajeshwari. How much amount of loan has been approved by the Asian Development Bank to upgrade 450 kilometers of state highways and major district roads in the state of Maharashtra? Answer is $177 million. If you like the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.